Here are 5 solid reasons why you're struggling to bag a job in tech. Number 1, your CV. Number 2, you applying to a job without a cover letter. Number 3, networking. Number 4, using the same strategy over and over again. And number 5, which is the most important, not making proper research about the company or role before applying for a job. Now, how would this affect your job, or maybe you getting a job or not? Now let me tell you. Now, most people use wrong CVs or outdated CVs to apply for a job. There are so many unnecessary information. The next point I would like to talk about is you applying for a job without a cover letter. How would you get a job if you're just only sending your CV? You have to craft a cover letter that aligns with the company's goals and visions, what the company wants, and then you would make research about the company, make research about the job description of the company, and update your cover letter based on those descriptions. Most people are very lazy to do all these things, and they want to get a job. Most people don't see job market or applying to jobs as marketing. It's more like you're going out there and you're not selling yourself. Most people don't sell themselves enough. So your cover letter is a good example of you selling yourself. How do you sell yourself? Make research about the company and then update your cover letter based on this research you've made about the company. I mentioned on that networking. Most people, after applying for jobs, right, they just wait for or maybe them to be selected for an interview. But then that is a very wrong way of doing it. So what you need to do is to do what? Go on LinkedIn, search for the company. When you get the company name, search for people who have worked for those particular company you are applying for. When you search for them, you network, you start chatting them up. Hey, drop a couple of messages, let them tell you about the field, and then you could tell them that you've applied for so and so role, if they can recommend you for that particular job. I have done this has been tried and tested. So if you want to really bag a job in tech, you need to do all these things. Another one that I would say is using the same approach. Most of you use the same approach over and over again, and it's not working. You're doing the same thing and expect a positive result. So what I would advise you do is you have to update your CV based on a particular job. That is why the 5th point is actually valid. You making research about the job role, you making research about the company before applying for a job. And most people use one CV to apply for a job, which is really not cool. So what you need to do is to do what? You need to have like several CVs. It has to be tailored to the job description or what the company wants. That is why you need to be updating your CV every time. If you do this, to be honest, you will be invited for an interview. I want you to comment the word "I need" below so I can share you one of the award-winning CV templates I've been using, and for that of my community as well. So comment down below "I need," and then I'll send it to you or send it as a message to you.